Students, in this class we are going to discuss objective problems in differential equations. First we discuss some problems on order and degree. Write the first problem. Order of 3x plus 2y into dy by dx whole square plus 5x into d square y by dx square is equal to 0 is. Find order of this equation. We already discussed order means order of the differential equation means order of the highest derivative in the given differential equation. There are two derivatives. It is first derivative and it is second derivative. So this is the highest derivative in the given equation. What is the order of this highest derivative? 2. So order is equal to 2. In any differential equation, order means it is the order of highest derivative in the given equation. Next, order and degree of square root of 1 plus d square y by dx square whole cube is equal to 2 plus dy by dx whole to the power of 1 by 3. In this differential equation, we find order and degree. To find degree, this square root and cube root are eliminated. Okay. First of all, squaring on both sides. On squaring, to find degree of the given differential equation, that equation must be free from powers. So, to remove the square root, squaring on both sides, 1 plus d square y by dx square whole cube is equal to 2 plus dy by dx whole to the power of 1 by 3 whole square, that is 2 by 3. Again there is cube root in RHS. To remove the cube root, cubing on both sides. On cubing on both sides, LHS become 1 plus d square y by dx square whole cube whole to the power of 3 is equal to 2 plus dy by dx whole square To remove this cube root, cubing on both sides. Now you observe that in power there is no fraction. In the given equation, in power there is a fraction, but here there is no fraction in the power. Now we find order and degree. To find order, we take the highest derivative. It is second order derivative. It is first order derivative. Okay, so order is equal to 2. Second order is highest order. Next, degree. Degree means it is the power of the highest order. Highest order is 2. On expanding this, it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. On expanding, we get a cube plus b cube. B cube means d square y by dx square whole to the power of 9. So highest power of this d square y by dx square is 9. So degree is equal to 9. On expanding this, the highest power of d square y by dx square is 3 into 3, 9. So degree of this equation is 9. Order 2 and degree 9. Next, order and degree of d square y by dx square is equal to sine of dy by dx plus x into y. To this equation we find order and degree. Order is equal. Here it is second order derivative, it is first order derivative. So highest order is second order. So order of this equation is 2. Next, degree. Observe that this equation is not a polynomial equation because this derivative dy by dx is in terms of sine. If the given differential equation is not a polynomial equation in derivatives, its degree cannot be defined. Write the reason. Since the given differential equation is not a polynomial equation, in derivatives. Why it is not a polynomial equation? Here derivative is in terms of sine. When the differential equation is not a polynomial equation, its degree cannot be defined. Therefore, degree cannot be defined. Next problem. The order of the differential equation of the family of all concentric circles centered at H comma K is, see here, differential equation is not given. First of all, we find the differential equation of family of concentric circles centered at H comma K. Concentric circles means circles with the same center. What is the center? H comma K. It is a circle with center H comma K. Now see, this is also a circle with the same center. Next, this is also a circle with the same center. All these circles are called concentric circles. All circles having the same center. Here center is fixed, but the radius may change. Radius may change. Let R be the radius. Then equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, where r is any constant. R is any constant. See here, it is an equation. It is the equation of the circle with center H comma K and radius R. Here, how many constants are there? There is only one fixed constant R. See here, H comma K. This center is C is fixed. Center is not changed here. Only radius is changed. Radius is changed. So H comma K is fixed constant, R is arbitrary constant. If the given equation contains only one arbitrary constant, then order of the differential equation is 1. Order of the differential equation is 1. We discuss one definition in differential equation. General solution. It is the solution in which number of arbitrary constants is equal to order. Then only that solution is called general solution. Here, this circle equation is the solution of the differential equation. Even if we don't know the differential equation, but its solution contains only one arbitrary constant. So order of that differential equation is 1. Here H and K are fixed constants. They are not changed. Next problem. The degree of the differential equation of all curves having normal of constant length C is the degree of the differential equation of all curves having normal of constant length C. Here what is given? Length of normal is equal to constant C. Normal of constant length C, that means length of normal is equal to C. We know the formula in tangents and normals. Length of the normal is y into square root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. This is the formula to find length of the normal. This is equal to C. Now to find degree, we have to remove the square root. Write it as 1 plus dy by dx whole square is equal to C by y. Now squaring on both sides, 1 plus dy by dx whole square is equal to C by y whole square. It is a differential equation. What is the order? Order 1, because it is the first derivative. Next to degree, here we want to find degree. Degree means the power of highest derivative. Here highest derivative is first order. Degree of the power of this dy by dx is 2. So degree of this equation is 2. Degree means power of the highest derivative. Here highest derivative is 1. Next problem. Family y is equal to ax plus a power 4 of curves is represented by the differential equation of degree. Family means set of curves. Set of curves y is equal to a into x plus a power 4, where a is some constant, is represented by the differential equation of degree. Okay. What is the given equation? Given set of curves y is equal to ax plus a power 4. Now taking derivative on both sides, dy by dx is equal to a into derivative of x 1, derivative of a power 4, a is constant, so its derivative is 0. So dy by dx is equal to a. Substitute this dy by dx is equal to a in this equation. Let it be equation 1. From equation 1, y is equal to a. A is dy by dx into x plus dy by dx whole to the power of 4. A into x plus a power 4. See, it is a differential equation. What is the order? Order is 1 because it is first derivative, it is also first derivative. Here we need degree. What is meant by degree? It is the highest power of highest derivative. See here, it is first derivative, it is also first derivative. Its power is 1, its power is 4. Both are first derivatives. But what is the highest power of highest derivative? That is 4. So degree is equal to 4. To find degree, we choose highest power of the higher order derivative. In this way, we can find order and degree of any equation. Next, formation of differential equations. How to form a differential equation? Write one problem. The differential equation whose solution is y is equal to a into cos 3x plus b is. Here we want to find the differential equation whose solution is y is equal to a into cos of 3x plus b. That means we find the differential equation satisfying this relation. Okay. Generally, to find the differential equation, we choose how many constants are there. A is constant, B is constant, 3 is fixed constant. We select only arbitrary constants. That means varying constants. 2 constants are there. So we get a differential equation of order 2 given y is equal to a into cos 3x plus b. Then dy by dx or y dash, both are same. What is the derivative of cos? Minus sine a into minus sine 3x plus b into derivative of 3x plus b, that is 3. Next, again differentiate y double dash. Y double dash means d square y by dx square. It is in the form of sin x, derivative of sin x, cos x, cos 3x plus b into derivative of 3x plus b, that is 3. 3 into 3, 9. See here, y double dash is equal to, but what is a cos 3x plus b? That is y. So minus 9y. So this is y double dash plus 9y is equal to 0. It is a differential equation. Or we write y double dash as d square y by dx square, or d square y by dx square plus 9 into y is equal to 0. See, in general, if the given equation contains 2 arbitrary constants, we get a differential equation of order 2. If the given equation contains only one constant, we get a differential equation of order 1. Always number of constants in the solution is equal to order of the differential equation. Then only this is called solution. Next, the differential equation whose solution is y is equal to c into e power x. See here, what is the given equation? Y is equal to c into e power x. This equation contains how many arbitrary constants? 1, that is c. C is the constant. So we get a differential equation of order 1. Taking derivative on both sides, dy by dx is equal to c into derivative of e power x, that is e power x. But dy by dx, that is taken as y dash or y1 also. See here, y dash means dy by dx, y suffix 1, that is also dy by dx, is equal to c into e power x, that is y. So differential equation is y1 is equal to y. Next, the differential equation whose solution is y is equal to a sin 2x plus b cos 2x is. See, this solution contains how many number of constants? 2. What are those? A and b. Okay, what is the given equation? Y is equal to a into sin 2x plus b into cos 2x. Now find the first derivative. First derivative means you write it as dy by dx or y1 or y dash. Here the options are in terms of y1 and y2. So you also write in terms of y1 and y2. y1 means first derivative of y. What is the derivative of sin 2x? Cos 2x into derivative of 2x, that is 2. B into derivative of cos 2x minus sin 2x. So minus b into sin 2x into 2. Here there are two arbitrary constants. So we find up to second order derivative. Next, y2. y2 means second derivative, d square y by dx square. Again find derivative. Derivative of cos 2x, that is minus sin 2x into 2. 2 into 2, 4. Minus b into derivative of sin 2x, cos 2x into 2. 2 into 2, 4. So from this y2 is equal to, take minus 4 common, minus 4 into a sin 2x plus b cos 2x. But this is y. A sin 2x plus b cos 2x is y. So this is equal to minus 4y. Take that minus 4y to left hand, right hand side, or minus 4y to this side. It becomes y2 plus 4y is equal to 0. So the constants a and b are eliminated. See the difference between these two problems. This equation contains only one constant. So we have to differentiate only one time. Here this equation contains two constants. So differentiate two times and eliminate the constants.